Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to hide Instagram posts without deleting them and to archive them instead. Archiving removes a post from your profile, but you can restore it anytime. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you'll need to open the Instagram app on your phone and then click on your little profile picture here down the bottom in the right hand corner to get to your profile. Now you need to select the post you would like to hide. So I just choose this one here, and we now need to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner and select the second option here that says archive. Just click on it, and now your post is instantly hidden from your profile. Your likes, comments and captions are saved when you archive a post, but only you can see the archived post. To unhide your post and bring it back to your profile, all you need to do is to click on the three stripes in the top right hand corner, then select archive, and now you need to select the post you would like to bring back to your profile. That was this one here, and click on the three dots in the top right hand corner again. And now you have the option to tap on the plus sign here down the bottom where it says show on profile. And now this little window pops up and asks if you would like to show this post on your profile. To confirm that, we will need to tap on the bold show on profile button. And now your post is back on your profile. It's really easy to do and only takes a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.